Hey everyone, this is Tim here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to start your bike. If your battery is dead and you don't have a Kickstarter, you can actually start from first gear by getting your bike moving and then put in the clutch, and when you got enough speed and momentum you can release the clutch and rev it just a little bit and your bike will start right up. So first, put in your key, turn the key on, make sure the kill switch is not on, and then we're going to put the choke to the higher rev. So we're going to get that set. Okay, so that's set all the way up, and later when I start going I'm going to put that down. But now that we're on top of the hill, I'm going to use this momentum to gain some speed, and I'm going to make sure I'm not in neutral. I'm in first gear at least. So we'll go through the different gears. There's neutral. I'm just going to put it to first gear. There we go. Now you can do this on the bike or off it depending on if you have a hill, or you're going to have to run with it, or if you have someone push it. So let's get some speed here. And then push. We'll let the clutch out. Just like that. Or you can do it just with yourself on the side here, and you can run with it. So I can see if I can run with it up the hill. So if you just let it out, sometimes the tire will stop rotating. That's fine. Let's do it again. So real easy to get started. And just go from there. Hopefully this video helped you out.